We're back again with the Florida Semiconductor Institute to learn more about upcoming initiatives. Gloria, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Hi, my name is Gloria Kim, and I am the Assistant Director for Partnerships at the Florida Semiconductor Institute. My day job is an Assistant Professor of Engineering Education in the College of Engineering.
So tell me a little bit more about the Florida Semiconductor Institute and what you guys do.
We do all parts of semiconductor research. So we have many different departments at University of Florida and institutes and industry partners. So we do research together, we send students for internships. We also educate K through 12 students to make them aware of what's out there in the semiconductor realm. Locally, we're extending our reach to Jacksonville, where we will involve more professionals who would want to retool or upskill so they can seek jobs in the semiconductor industry. The other one is partnering more with the Space Coast. The third one is the international partnerships, more study abroad, research abroad programs that we are initiating and started to run, which includes Taiwan, South Korea, and other Asian nations who are big in manufacturing.
So tell me about the summit that's coming up sometime soon.
This is our fourth summit. We're very excited to have this. This brings in academics, industry, and researchers and early career researchers to learn more about the semiconductor research and what's going on in the industry. This year, we had 2 tracks, one for the researchers, one for workforce development, and we're going to continue that for the 2026 summit.
So what will the focus of this year's summit be?
So this is going to be on manufacturing specifically. 2026 summit, the theme is Florida Semiconductor Manufacturing, Power, Progress, and Possibilities.
So when and where can people expect to join the summit?
It's from February 23rd till the 25th in 2026. So that's next year in Orlando, Florida. I'd like to invite everyone who is interested in semiconductors to come.